Hi, I am Roslyn Ehirado, and today I am going to discuss on what will happen when technology and humanity cross. So here, when technology meets or cross rather the humanity, it increases isolation, reduce social interaction and social skills, and increase human to machine interactions are all a result of an overuse of technology, which has created a wall between many people globally. Another question is, what is the purpose of technology to humanity? So, what is really the purpose? So, the purpose of technology is to enable the effective sharing of data to address some of society's biggest challenges and help individuals and organizations be more innovative, efficient, and productive. Next is, what is the relation of technology to humanity? We are deficient beings who use technology to complement, enhance, or disburden ourselves. Technology has, without a doubt, become a central part of the human condition, for better and worse. It influences us just as much as we influence. For today. So we have here the ethical dilemmas. So we the control over nature and the control of other people by the use of technology is completely another story. Science and technology, as well as research and development, enjoy and must continue to enjoy autonomy from the state and society. They may draw inspiration from them, but they are not necessarily determined and directed by them. However, the application, use, and distribution of technology require ethical standards and even legal provisions set by the local and international government. The ethical dilemmas and policy issues for 2015 presented in particular order are: first, we have the real-time satellite surveillance video. The satellites themselves are getting cheaper, smaller, and more sophisticated than before. This will make customer more convenient, especially with the agents or with emergencies and private citizens. Number two, we have the astronauts' bad ethics of colonizing Mars. So this is like a Project Mars. The NASA administration declared the one of Mars era. They are preparing to launch a robotic mission to Mars. The pioneers may be at risk and they lack privacy for the rest of their lives so that we can watch what will happen. It's like they will sacrifice themselves so that people will know what really happened or what will happen in the Mars. Number three, wearable technology. I guess it's common nowadays. So wearable technologies have the potential to teach us, protect our health, as well as violate rather our privacy in any amount of ways. Yes, true. Number four, we have state-sponsored hacktivism and software rather. So here, software is a concept used to explain rights and duties of insurgents and even terrorists. During armed struggle, software incorporate tactics other than armed force to achieve political ends. Cyberwar and hacktivism could be the tools of software. We already live in a state of low intensity cyber conflict. Number five is enhanced pathogens. While Horse suspended research on October 17, 2014, that would enhance the pathogenicity of viruses such as influenzas, SARS, and MERS. GOF, or gain of function itself, is not detrimental. In fact, it is used to provide understanding into viruses and how to treat them. Number 6, we have non-lethal weapons. These weapons may not kill. Then again, there have been fatalities from non-lethal weapons. Yes, that's true. But they can cause serious pain, physical injuries, and long-term costs. Number 7, we have here the robot swarms. Robot swarms should be worried about the ethical and policy consequences of letting robots work collected without human interference. If a robot malfunctions and causes harm, what will happen? Also, who would be blamed for such an accident? What if a tiny swarm of robots could be set up to spy or sabotage? Number 8, we have here the artificial life forms. The ethical and policy issues surrounding an innovation and in the systemic biology renew concerns raised previously with other biological breakthrough standards includes safety issues and risk factors connected with releasing artificial life forms into the environment. Number 9, we have here the resilient social ecological system. So resilient social and ecological system what we build tolerantly being pushed to an extreme with maintaining their functionality either by returning to the earlier state of operating in a new state. Resilient system endures external pressures such as caused by climate change, natural disaster, and economic globalization. A resilient ecosystem can maintain a complex web of life when one or more organisms is overexploited. To what is the responsibility of the government to ensure that civil infrastructure is resilient to environmental change? And lastly, number 10, we have the brain-to-brain interfaces. Brain-to-brain interfaces have been achieved, allowing for direct communication from one brain to another without speech. The interactions between humans and animals. The ethical issues are countless. What kind of neurosecurity can we put in a place to project or to protect individual from having accidental information shared or removed from the brains, especially by hackers? So I hope you understand well our topic for today about ethical dilemmas and what will happen when technology meets humanity. That could be all. Thank you.